Today we're going to be talking about suffixes full and less. Our learning target says, I can determine the meaning of words with suffixes full and less. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word. It changes the meaning of the word. The suffix less means without. Clueless means without a clue. The suffix full means full of. Feel hopeful. Hopeful means full of hope. Let's look at some examples. If we have the base word help and we add the suffix less, we get the word helpless. That means without help. If we have the suffix full with the base word help, we get the word helpful. That means full of help. Let's look at a new base word, care. Careless means without care. Careful means full of care. Let's look at the base word fear. Fearless means without fear. Fearful means full of fear.